एंड स्वागत है आपका साईं ज्ञान सागर में। अब हम कर रहे हैं जनवरी के करंट अफेयर के मॉक टेस्ट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। चिंतन बैंथिक इज़ अ ब्रेन स्ट्रोमिंग कॉन्फ्रेंस कम रिव्यू मीटिंग ऑफ द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री। जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पोर्ट शिपिंग एंड वाटरवे हैज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ 3-day पोर्ट रिव्यू मीटिंग नेम चिंतन मीटिंग इज़ कच्छ, गुजरात में। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर chairperson of major port official of the ministry will participate in the brainstorming conference. The result idea from the meeting will be used to finalize the maritime vision 2030, improving port performance, infrastructure and ease of doing business. Focus on area. India signed a agreement with which country of the submarine rescue support and cooperation between navies? Singapore. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh co-chaired the 5th Indian-Singapore Defense Ministry Dialogue along with the Ministry of Defense Singapore. During the dialogue, the implementing agreement on submarine rescue support and cooperation between the Indian Navy and Singapore Navy were signed. The public sector unit has joined hand with Himachal Pradesh to improve telecom connectivity in the hill areas. The public sector unit has joined hand with Himachal Pradesh to improve the telecom connectivity with hilly area. Power Grid. The Power Grid Corporation of India Limited PSU under the Ministry of Power has been recently signed an agreement with the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board. Under the agreement, the PSU aim to provide the telecom connectivity in hilly area of the state including Kangana, Une, Mandi, Kullu, Bilaspur, Simorpur, Palampur, Sundarnagar among others. The state has been facing limited telecom connectivity due to the rough weather condition and landslide. The Ministry of Commercial and Industry is partner with which ministry to improve the logistic planning in the country? Ministry of Housing and Urban Area. The Commercial Ministry is to work with the Housing and Urban Fair Ministry to focus on logistic planning in 15 cities. The ministries aim to promote the ease of doing business in the country. During the national conference with the state of logistics, the Commercial Ministry announced the state-level coordination committee on logistical is formed. Ratel hydropower project, which was making recently news, set up in Ratel hydropower, Jammu and Kashmir. The Union Cabinet has been recently approved the investment of 5,200 crore investment to Ratel hydropower project in Jammu and Kashmir. The 85 megawatt plant to be set up the Chenab River, which flow from India into Pakistan. A new joint venture company for National Hydroelectrical Power Corporation and Jammu and Kashmir State Power Development Corporation Limited will be also formed. Which is the venue of the first Khelo India Jhanskar Winter Sport Festival, Ladakh? Which is the venue of the first Khelo India Jhanskar Winter Sport Festival? The Union Sport and Youth Affairs Minister Kiran Raju launched the first Khelo India Janskar Winter Sport Festival in Janskar of Kargil district, Ladakh. The 13 days festival organized by the Ladakh UT administration aim to promote Janskar as an important destination of the winter tourist. The sport minister to be promote Ladakh as a center of the ice hockey. Which species foundation prominently in North America recently found to be a work of extinction? Western monarchy butterfly. A recently announced study and winter count by the Exo Society, it is found that number of western monocross butterflies has been falling down rapidly. The count is found to be less than 2,000 and insect to said to be work of extinction. The butterfly most North American well-known pollinator species. Which organization has released the book of facial scald and stoppage management in urban area? Niti Aayog. Which organization released a book on facial spattage management in urban area? India think tank Niti Aayog recently released a book facial flag stages management in urban area. This has been jointly developed by the National Facial Flag Spattage Management Alliance. The book is the form of a report that enlisted 27 case study on implementation of facial slag speech management initiative. First virtual expo 2021 for RD has been organized recently in which sector? Food processing. The socio-economic survey report of which state UT has been released recently? Delhi. The report of socio-economic survey of the Delhi conducted between November 2018 and November 20 has been finalized and released recently. As per the report, 10% of the children aged between 6 to 17 are either school dropout or never attend formal schooling on account of financial disabilities. Scientists has been supported rarer hot UV bright star in a cluster using the telescope on board with astro satellite. Scientists at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics on Autonomous Scientists Institute for the Department of Science and Technology has spotted rarer hot UV bright star in a massive cluster in our galaxy called NGC U2808. The astronomers have used to ultraviolet imaging telescope on board the first multi-wavelength space satellite of India, AstroSat. When is the statehood day for three states of Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura celebrate? When is the statehood day for three states of Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura celebrate? 21 January. Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura celebrate the 49th statehood day on 21 जनवरी 2021 for January 21, 1972. These three states become full-fledged state under the North-Eastern Region Reorganization Act 1971. It is also land to be formation of the Union Territory of Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, which were declared on state of 21 फरवरी 1987. Hawkeye platform, which was making new recently, is owned by which organization? HAL. The smart anti-airfield weapon has been indigenous development by the Defense Research and Development Organization Research Center IMET. Recently, the Hindustan Aeronautic Limited successfully fired a smart anti-airfield weapon from a Hawkeye craft off the coastal of Odisha. HAL deploy its Hawk platform certification of the system and weapon. What type of the body is the Society of India Defence Manufacture which was making news recently? What type of body is the Society of the Indian Defence Manufacture? What was the body of the Society of Indian Defence Manufacture which is making news recently? Not for profit association. Society of Indian Defence Manufacture is a not-for-profit association which aims to facilitate the indigenous production in Indian defence industries. Recently, an MOU between the Indian Army and Society of the Indian Defence Manufacturing was signed to boost use of indigenous spare part. Thing took place the ocean of 25-year partnership of the Indian Army with the Confederation of the Indian Customs. Masquerade 2021, which was the making news in initiative of which Indian body? FICCI. The 7th edition Masco 2021 movement against smuggled counterfeit trade has been organized by FICC Committee against the smuggling and counterfeiting activity destroy the economy. Union Minister of the Health and Family Welfare Harsh Vardhan has inaugurated an event which aimed to discuss innovative policy solution to scrub counterfeit and smuggled product. The Supreme Court recently upheld the validity of which law act to protect the bidder of the corporate debitor, insolvency, bankruptcy code. The Supreme Court upheld the validity of the section 32A insolving bankruptcy code. It is a recent judgment the apex court held for the successful bidder for a corporate debitor under the insolvency and bankruptcy code would be immune from any investigation being conducted by investigating agencies such as the Enforcement Directorate or statutory bodies such as SEBI. Electronics and IT Ministry is to collaborate with which company to set up a quantum computing application lab? Amazon. Electronics and IT Ministry is to be collaborate with the which company to set up a quantum computing application lab? Amazon. The Ministry of Electron and Information Technology has announced to set up a quantum computing application lab in association with Amazon Web Services. Through this step, the researchers in the educational institute or set up the ecosystem will get access to quantum computing hardware, stimulator, and programming tool through Amazon Bracket services at no cost. Which personality announced to give away $100 million for the best carbon capture technology? Elon Musk. Tesla chief executive officer, the world's richest person at present, Elon Musk, announced that he has decided to give away $100 million as prize for the best carbon capture technology. Carbon dioxide released in electricity generation and industrial process can be captured using the various methods including post-combustion, pre-combustion, and oxy-fuel. The International Energy Agency also stated about the role of carbon capture technology in net zero emission recently. Which India mathematician has been named the winner of the 2021 Michael and Sherin Held Prize? Nikhil Srivastav. Nikhil Srivastav, a young Indian mathematician, has been named winner of the prestigious 2021 Michael and Sheila Held Prize. He has been named as a co-winner of the USD 1000 award, 10 lakh award, along the two others, the solving long-standing question on the Kinson-Singer problem and the Ramanujan graphs. The mathematician associate professor of the mathematics at the University of California at present. The Reserve Bank of India proposed a 4-tier regular framework for which type of financial institute? NBFCS. Reserve Bank of India recently released a discussion paper on revised regular framework for non-banking financial company. As per the paper, the regulatory and supervisory framework of the NBFC shall be based on 4-layer structure: name-based layer, middle layer, upper layer, and possible top layer. RBI has recommended more power of the NBFC board and capital risk management. Road Transport Ministry signed MOU with the which institution of research and report? IIT Roorkee. Which of the venue of the Indian Ocean Region Defence Minister Conclave to be hosted by India in 2021? Bangalore. India is the host of the Defence Minister of the country of the Indian Ocean Region in Bangalore city, February 4, 2021. This conclave will be organized alongside the upcoming Aero India in Bangalore. The theme of conclave will be enhanced peace, security, and cooperation in the Indian Ocean. Which country proposed a 5-year extension of new started treaty with Russia? United States. USA President Joe Biden has been recently proposed a 5-year extension of new started treaty with Russia. The treaty limited the United States and Russia to 1550 nuclear warhead each. It expired on 5 February this year. Since the former President Donald Trump stopped negotiation and tried to conclude China in the treaty. Lembeok, which was making news recently, is an archaeological city of country Peru. A team of archaeology experts have discovered tomb with the remains of 2 children claimed to have belonged to the Icon Empire. The tomb was discovered as the part of extension at the Crocodile Abos complex with the Limbo city. The Icon Empire was the largest empire in the pre-Columbian America. The Inca civilization is said to be have Aryan from Peru in the earlier 13th century. Which state UT government has decided to raise a sum of 250 crore by sale of securities? Pondicherry. An fire has been filed by which organization against Cambridge Analytica and Global Scientific Research and Data Thief in India (CBI). Recently, the Central Board of Investigation has filed a first information report fire against two UK-based firm Cambridge Analytica and Global Scientific Research. The FIR has been filed after 30 months since probe was initiated against these two firms based on a complaint by the IT Ministry. Investigation has been revealed that the firm Global Scientific Research has been illegally harvested India data and passed to the Cambridge Analytica and commercial gain. Which country has been recently relieved a draft erratic policy? India. A new draft erratic policy has been released recently by the government of India. The draft policy would be available for public opinion till 26 January 2021. It has been prepared after deliberation with the several ministry. The policy aimed to expand India's scientific research, sustain tourism and mineral oil and gas exploration in Antarctica region. As per the release by the Department of the Scientist and Technology, what is the India's position in number of scientific publication? As per the release of Department Science and Technology, what is the India's position in the number of scientific publication? Third, Department of Science and Technology had stated recently that is the number of scientist publication from India has increased exponentially over the last 10 years and the India stand third position of globally in the number of scientific publication. China and USA are ahead of India in the list. In the year of 2017-18, 1937 out of total 13,042 parents were filled by the Indian. Which organization has adopted a resolution titled Promoting a Culture of Peace and Tolerance of the Safeguard Religion site? United States. Which ministry has launched a national migration support portal named Shram Shakti? Union Tribal Affairs Ministry. The Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs has launched a dedicated portal that would help in formation of state and national level of program for migrant worker. The portal name is Shram Shakti and launched by the Union Tribal Affairs Ministry at Goa. He also launched a training manual for the migrant worker named Shram Shakti. The government of which state has decided to establish India's biggest multi-modal logistic park? Gujarat. The state government of Gujarat has been entered with a MOA to Advine Portal and Season Limited. The MOU aimed to establish the Indian biggest multi-modal logistic park at Vankoro Nagar near Screen in Ahmedabad. The park would be constructed at 1450 acres and would be invested 15,000 crore. It is expanded to provide direct or indirect employment of 25,000. Which organization has issued purple notice to member country against the investment fraud via dating application? Interpol. Interpol has been issued purple notice to all its member country. The notice warned all the member country against the investment fraud via dating publication. It has been stated with the artificially romance is the rumors is established with the user of the app in the initial stage and once a certain level of trust is achieved. Criminal encourage users to join upon investment scheme. Rajendra Kumar Badrim, who has been seen in the news and recently, is the winner of which award? Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Pravadhan Puraskar. राजेंद्र कुमार बंदरीम ने सुभाष चंद्र बोस अप्रदा प्रदान पुरस्कार अवार्ड जीता है. अनाउंस 2020 एज पर द नोटिफिकेशन Rajendra Kumar Bandhari was selected in an individual category of the award, while the Sustained Environmental and Ecological Development Society has been selected for the award in the institutional agents category. The World Health Organization has collaborated with which company to distribute COVID vaccine under the COVAX alliance? The World Health Organization has been collaborate with which company to distribute COVID vaccine under COVAX alliance? Pfizer. The World Health Organization has been collaborated with the American pharmaceutical firm Pfizer recently. As per the deal, 40 million dose 40 million dose of the Pfizer biotech coronavirus vaccine will be distributed for the poor and lower middle income country under its COVAX program. Mohammed Ismail, who has seen in the news recently, is the Prime Minister of which country? Palestine. India celebrate National Water Days and 25 January to commemorate which event? Foundation of Election Commission of India. Carolina Marin, who won the single women title in the Thailand Open Badminton Tournament, is from which country? Spain. By which year the Geological Survey of India is set up the complete national geochemical mapping program? 2024. The central government has recently stated that Geological Survey of India is in the process of expanding some of the important nation level survey. The GSI has been proposed to complete its national geochemical mapping program by 2024. The GSI has been commenced and the initiative named National Geoscience Data Repository for collecting all the geoscience data for the country. What is the name of the public awareness campaign program on Ayurveda organized recently by All India Institute of Ayurveda? Ayu Samaved. Recently, the All India Institute of Ayurveda New Delhi has been conducted a largest public awareness campaign program on Ayurveda and COVID-19 pandemic, and it has been named as a Ayu Samved. This campaign is supported by the Ministry of Ayush. More than 5 lakh lectures were organized across the country by Ayurveda physicians during the campaign. Which Indian state has been celebrate its Golden Jubilee Statehood Day 25 जनवरी 2021? कौन से स्टेट ने सेलिब्रेट किया है गोल्डन जुबली स्टेटहुड 25 जनवरी 2021 को? तो केरला ने. द हिमाचल प्रदेश has celebrated recently the 15th statehood day 25 जनवरी 2021. In 1917 the state Himachal Pradesh Act as a passed a parliament and state come into the existence, and 25 it has been state judgment form. The Himalayan state Himachal Pradesh celebrate 15 statehood. तो इसका आंसर ये होगा हिमाचल प्रदेश, केरला नहीं होगा. किस स्टेट ने गोल्डन जुबली सेलिब्रेट किया है 25 जनवरी को 2021 में? तो हिमाचल प्रदेश ने सेलिब्रेट किया है. 1970 में हिमाचल प्रदेश एक एक्ट पास हुआ था पार्लियामेंट में, और एग्जिस्टेंट 25 जनवरी कम इनटू द एग्जिस्टेंट फ्रॉम जनवरी 25. इट इज़ जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश है, हिमाचल प्रदेश है, वो 18वां इंडियन स्टेट फॉर्म कंट्री. डॉक्टर यशवंत सिंह परमार वाज फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर. Which organization has released the report titled The Inequality Virus? Oxfam International. The report titled Inequality Virus has been released recently by Oxfam International. The report has found that the COVID pandemic has been deepened the existing inequality. The report made comparison of that during the national lockdown in India to top 100 billionaires saw the fortune increase 20.91 trillion, while 70,000 people lost their job every hour in month of April 20. As per the UNA, which country became world top destination for new foreign direct investment last year? As per the UNA, which country has become the world top destination for new foreign direct investment last year? China. KP Sharma Oily, who has seen the descent in the news, PM Minister of country Nepal. प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार is award which ministry? प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार is awarded by which ministry? Ministry of Women and Child Development. 32 children across the country have been recently awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2021. Union Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India has been giving away this award to children with outstanding ability and accomplishment in the field of innovation, scholastic, sport, arts and culture, and social service and bravery. The Treaty on the Provision of Nuclear Weapon was approved by United States National General Assembly in India 2017. The Treaty of Provision of Nuclear Weapon was approved by United Nations General Assembly in 2017. Recently, the first treaty come into the force, and in response, India announced that does not support the treaty. None of the 9 countries said to possess nuclear weapon and NATO alliance supported the treaty. The country hosted online International Climate Adaptation Summit CAC online Netherlands. The Netherlands government play host to the online International Climate Adaptation Summit this 25 January under the leadership of Prime Minister Mark Rutte. It aimed to help the country build a climate resilient ecosystem back after the pandemic. Indian Prime Minister participated in virtual conference. Marcelo Rebelo Sousa was re-elected president of which country? Portugal. What is the name of the tax to be imposed in India pollution causing vehicle green tax? DRDO Integrated Weapon System Design Center has been inaugurated by which city? Hyderabad. Which Indian organization is examining about the need and operationalization of digital currency in India? RBI. The armed force of which country participate in the Republic Day Paradise of the Indian in 2020? Bangladesh. Which organization released the World Economic Situation and Prospect 2021 United Nations? As per the International Monetary Fund, which is the only key country that would be recorded double-digit growth in final year 2020? India. Giuseppe Conte, who recently resigned, Prime Minister of which country? Italy. The space agency of which country has been recently released the image of the lost galaxy of the Virgo cluster, USA. Partnering of the racial justice in business, which was making news recently in initiative which organization? WFE. World Economic Forum launched a global hotline at the ongoing Davos Agenda Summit to end racism at workplace. It has been named as a partnering of the racial justice in business. What is the name of virtual intelligence tool recently launched which can help in the government policy decision? Tejas. Minister of Electronics and IT and Communication has recently launched virtual intelligence tool Tejas. The tool was extract critical information for policy decision, thereby the improving efficiency in government service. The minister also launched a virtual portal to access root office alliance application work from anywhere portal. Which country announced a pledge of USD 15 lakh for UNA peace building operation India? Which India city recently unveiled a first of its kind young reader boat library? Calcutta. Who is the chairperson of the panel set up the review of the proposed ban in 27 widely used pesticide? TP Rajendra.